Hi everyone, I am Yamini, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about exception handling. Welcome to the session on exception handling in Java. In this session, we will learn one of the most important concepts in Java programming, exception handling. We will understand that exceptions are why exception handling is required, different types of exception, important keys, and real time example. By the end of
You will clearly understand how Java handles a runtime error efficiently. So let us begin. Next one, what is exception? An exception is an abnormal condition that occurs during the execution of program and disputes the normal flow of instructions. In a simple term, exceptions are error that happens while a program is running. For example, deriving a number by zero, accessing an involved array index, or try to open a file that does not exist can all causes exception. If exceptions are not handled properly, the program may terminate unexpectedly. That is why Java provide a powerful mechanism called exception handling to manage this error efficiently. Next, what is exception handling? Exception handling is a mechanism in Java used to handle a runtime error so that the program can continuous execution normally without crashing a uprootable. Java organizing exception using a hierarchy. At the top is the throwable class. Throwable is divided into two categories, error and exception. Exceptions are further classified into checked and unchecked exception. The hierarchy helps program understand the type of problem that occurs, handle it appropriately using a Java key and methods. Next one, error versus exception. In error versus exception, now let us understand the difference between error and exception. Error are serious problems that are generally not handled by programs. These are system level issues such as out of memory error, which occurs when the Java visual machines run out of the memory. Next, exception. Exceptions, on the other hand, a problem that can be handled using a program code. Java allows developer to catch and manage the exception so that the program continuous running smoothly. This is the major difference between error and exception in Java. Next one, checked exception. In checked exception, there are two major types of exception in Java. The first type is a checked exception, also known as compile time exception. These exceptions are checked by the compiler before the program runs. If they are not handled, the program will not compile successfully. For example, including input output exception, SQL exception, and file not found exception. The checked exceptions are predictable. Java forces program to handle them using a try catch block or the throw keywords. Next, checked exception example. In this example, the program attempts to open a file using file reader. If the specified file does not exist, the Java throw in input-output exception. The risky code is placed inside the try block while the catch block handle the exception and display the message file not found. This example demonstrates how checked exceptions are handled safely in Java program. Thank you.